Hello guys, welcome to Cryptocurrency Academy YouTube channel, where we foster crypto and blockchain mass adoption. On this video, we'll be looking at cryptocurrency copy trading on Gate.io, an interesting feature not known by many. So, what is crypto copy trading? Many of you are familiar with crypto trading, where you open positions on cryptocurrency assets with the aim of making a profit. This can be done on different crypto markets such as spots, futures or margin trading, or even crypto ETFs. We will look at this on a future video. Back to crypto copy trading on Gate.io. Copy trading is a process of replicating expert traders' trades. Yes, you heard that right. So no more technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or staring at charts all day long. You can refer to this guide via the link that I've dropped on the description box to know more about cryptocurrency copy trading. To get started on copy trading, here is what you need to know. First, you need to get an account on Gate.io via the link on the description box and log in. Once you've done that, navigate to the wallets and deposit at least $100 worth of any cryptocurrency. Next, you need to convert the deposited cryptocurrency into USDT. You can do that via the spot trading market. Assuming that you deposited OMISGO 3L onto your Gate.io account, all you need to do is sell a fraction to get the 100 USDT. To get a quicker trade, it's preferable to pick on the bids orders. We'll be selling a minimum of 100 USDT. Once you're comfortable with the parameters, you can click on Confirm Order. And the order has been placed. Once you're done converting the deposited cryptocurrency, head to Copy Trading on the Gate.io menu. You'll be directed to the Strategy Pool page. Here, you are able to see the number of active strategies, which as of the moment stands at over 696,000 active strategies. You're also able to see the total value logged and the number of copied trades, which stands at $1.29 billion and over 41,000 respectively. To copy a trade, here are some of the factors that you have to consider. First, you have to consider the strategy provider. Under general strategies, we do have Ptokuba, we do have Heron, and these other guys. You also have to consider the winning rate. As for Ptokuba, he has a winning rate of 30.43%. Heron has 85.71%. This other guy has 50%, and this other one has 33.33%. It's good to also consider the number of copy trades. Ptokuba has over 900 trades. Heron has 184 trades. And these other guys have 19 and 5 trades, respectively. Remember, this is under general strategies. Under top gainer, we have different people with different winning rates and different number of copy trades and rates of return. As for this video, we'll stick to general strategies. The other thing that you have to consider is the minimum amount tradable. To check on this, click on Copy on the Identify Traders tab. Then navigate to the section slightly below the total investment. As you can see, Henry only allows a minimum of 100 USDT. The other thing that you need to check on is the frequency of opening positions. Now that we have selected Heron for this video, to check on his frequency of opening positions, click on his card. Then navigate to Trades. Then check under Time. You will be able to see how frequently Heron opens up a trade. Then the last thing that you need to check on is the records at close. This gives an insight of how the trader performs on all his trades. From the look of things, Heron actually makes more profits as compared to losses. As we can see, Heron has made more of greens, which signifies profits, and only 2 reds, which signifies losses. Please do note that 5% of profit earned is credited to the strategy provider when the copied strategy ends. So every profit that you make, 5% of that will be credited to the strategy provider. Once you're comfortable with all this, you can click on Copy. Now we are getting to the how to copy a trade section. Assuming that you have already identified an expert trader, click on copy to set in the parameter of your trade. As for us, we identified Heron, and for that, we'll click on copy to set in the next parameters. The very first thing that you need to set is a leverage with a minimum of ×1. You can adjust that by dragging this section. On this video, we'll stick to ×1 leverage. Then the other thing that you need to set is the amount that you want to trade with. You can drag this section to fill in a percentage of the amount that you wish to trade with. As you can see, it's automatically reflected on this total investment part. Then once you've done that, it's time to set the take profit and the stop loss. Please do note, once the take profit is hit, the trade will automatically close. And once the stop loss is hit, the trade will also automatically close. Disclaimer: please note that the position take profit and the position stop loss set on this video are not in any way financial advice. Once you've done setting the position take profit and the position stop loss, you need to also set the auto stop loss ratio, which is optional, but it also mitigates your trades against risks. Once you've set all parameters, it's time to create your copy trade order. So click on create. Your copy trade order has been successfully created. Click on OK to dismiss the pop-up. To track the progress of your copy trade, go to Active Strategies via the menu bar on the left, on this part, and click on Active Strategies. Then check under the different strategies, that is, spot grade trading, futures grade, CTA, or other strategies displayed. You can easily just click on all. If you wish to terminate your copy trade, you can easily do that by navigating to the action section and clicking on terminate. Please note, the copy trade order will only be opened once a strategy provider opens a trade, but will not automatically close once he or she closes his trades. So keep on tracking your trade. It is advisable to have a predetermined take profit and stop loss ratio, factoring in an appropriate risk-reward ratio. So that is how you copy trade on Gate.io. No more technical analysis, no more fundamental analysis, no more staring at charts all day long. What do you think about that? Do hit the like and subscribe button if you like this video, and comment if you have any questions or opinions. Goodbye.